You guys, we just got our winter FabFitFun box, and I am so excited to see what's inside. If you guys use our code, you can get $10 off your first box, making it only $39.99. And this box has a value of over $200 inside.
I'm excited to see.
Wait, I want to see what you picked.
No, I want to see what you got.
I already see something you didn't pick that I picked. My blanket.
That looks so cute.
Let's just take it on out. And you're not going to steal it like you love to do. Let's take this
off. So soft.
Faux fur, you guys, which you know I love. Okay, wait, this is my box.
Yeah, wait, but I really like it.
This is unbelievable and so silky and soft, you guys. Brielle, I customized this,
okay,
so
well,
it's
I really
mine.
just love touching it.
I know you do. She steals all of my stuff, you guys, and this is one that she's not going to steal.
Oh,
Let me see what's in your box.
Okay, so I got this Jonathan Adler scented candle.
I love Jonathan Adler. I'm sure it smells incredible. His smells are the best.
Oh my gosh, that smells like, I feel like that's the epitome of winter.
Really good.
You know,
it is,
like,
yes, it is. And then here's your little lid to put it on, which is really, really
just
cute.
Fresh winter.
Let's just jump right into something you make fun of all the time.
Yeah, your hands.
Brielle constantly is making fun of my hands. Let's be honest, I'm 41, but I definitely need these thirsty hands. They're super hydrating hand mask for dry and tired skin, Brielle.
Oh, good, good. I'm glad that you got that, Mom. Because you definitely
I know you
need
are.
it. I got this amazing eyeshadow palette by Beauty Bakery.
I love it. Proof is
see.
in the pudding. Oh my God, that
Wait,
is
this
so pretty.
Cute.
Look at this color.
Look at all these colors.
Swatch that color, the almond jelly.
Joy. Oh, jelly. You see where my mind's at. Look at that.
Wow,
wait, these are
that is so
pigmented.
Well,
really
I see
amazing.
we both have the makeup eraser.
No, wait, I kind of want to like put this on right now.
No, well, we'll do it. We'll play later.
Okay.
That's really good and pigmented and very winter colors.
Yeah, love that.
The makeup eraser, which is really incredible. You don't even need soap with this, you guys. You just simply can have a full face of makeup and wet it and just literally wipe your face. I know it sounds too good to be true, but it's not, trust me. This is really incredible.
Wait, look, it literally just took off the eyeshadow swatch that I put on my hand.
Is that not unbelievable, you guys?
And there's not even water on it.
There's no water on it whatsoever. It's unbelievable to me. It's like a miracle cloth. Yeah, this has been a really big hit in our house. This is great.
Can't wait to use this tonight.
There's an instant brush cleanser, color switch. Did you get one of these?
I don't think so.
Brielle, let's just pause for a minute because, sweetie, this instantly removes makeup from brushes.
Oh, I need that.
We all need this, honey. So this is incredible.
Wait, so how does it work?
Instantly cleans, reusable, dry cleaner. Glide eyeshadow brush against the color switch sponge in a circular motion to remove all color. No liquid and cleaner needed. A dream. You can take this in your makeup bag with you when you travel. Like, this is a dream.
If you need to go from color to color too, you could just clean it off and it's dry already. That's really cool.
These FabFitFun boxes, you guys, they literally are so incredible and do have a value of over $200. Using our code, you can get it for $39.99 for your first box, which is a huge steal. And it makes a really great gift, you guys, as well.
And look at how cute this bracelet is.
That's so cute.
Adore by
Swarovski
Crystal. I love it. It's so cute. You know, rose gold always looks great on my skin.
And it's simple.
Yeah.
You can wear it with anything. I really love that. Sure. This is pure Nautica Melt, which is really, really cool. This is really thick and hydrating, which we all need in the winter, let's be honest. Especially me.
You and your hands.
Thanks, Brielle. You'll get there too. You'll be 41, sweetie, soon, okay?
Okay, well, you have your hand issue, and I have my little cellulite issue going on right now, and that's why I love
Frank's body?
Yes, I'm so excited. When I saw this, I was like freaking out. I love this. Guess what? You'll be naked in 1 minute. Honestly, I might be because I want to go scrub this on me right now. It's an 100% natural exfoliator for smooth, glowing skin. It's an original coffee scrub. I love coffee scrubs.
I love his products. They're amazing. That's incredible.
Yeah, I've been using them for years, so this is really cool that this was in this box. Oh, smells like a fresh
just
cup
smells
of
like coffee. This
yeah.
stuff really, really works. Brielle, look at these lashes, Baddington lashes, and they come with glue.
That's literally my type of lash right there.
Just very simple, and there's a little glue that comes with it as well, which you just apply to the strip. This is your everyday lash that we all need. Here's the glue, super easy. These are great lashes, great quality.
Look at this amazing Bluetooth shower speaker by Bando. I've been telling you for years that I need to put a surround sound system in my bathroom because I can't hear any of my music from my room. So this is amazing.
Surround sound in our shower sounds a little weird.
No, like in the bathroom because you know you want to listen to music while you're in the shower and like I can't hear the speakers in my room. So I'm really excited about this. I'll probably be in the shower a lot longer now.
That's great.
Yeah.
That's wonderful. So you just use your phone, basically. Oh, that's really cool, and it's
Well,
waterproof.
I kind of just like, it's kind of ratchet. I set my phone like on my toilet and I just like.
And it suctions to the wall.
Yep. Look
Wow,
at
that's
that.
really, really cool.
Look how cute.
And you just use Bluetooth. That's really cool.
That is so simple.
This is Prime and Prep Detangler, which I am all for. This is really great. I always like to, oh, that smells really, really good. Smell that for detangler.
Oh my gosh, between the Bluetooth speaker, the Franks, and the new detangler, I want to get in the shower right now. Like, what am I waiting on?
Well, Brielle,
I got
look
the
what
same.
I got. You go with my blanket,
Nice
my own
little
slippers. Yep, my
Let me
own.
see.
No,
Those feel so
no,
soft.
No.
No, I'm
These
like
are
a little
mine.
texture person.
These are mine. How adorable are these, you guys? You can keep your feet warm during this winter season, and you can even walk outside, which is really, really cool. These are so cute, and they go great with my blanket, Brielle. So don't get any ideas.
Those are
okay?
really cute, and they're real comfy too.
They are really.
I might have to
No, you're not.
steal this section.
As you
right
guys know, she
here.
steals all of my stuff.
Oh, look at this amazing Epsom salt hand wash and body wash. Like, why didn't we
That's
think
a
of that?
great
Yeah,
idea.
like, are you kidding? Why did we not think of that?
Oh, let me see.
Instead of having to like dump it all
Calm and
over me.
clean body wash, Epsom salt, which is really great and detoxifying for your body. So I'll trade you. No, I'm not trading you my slippers for that. I'll just take
Oh,
that.
smell it. It's like
Oh my
lavender.
god, that smells really, really good.
Oh my god, wait, it has lavender oil. A new cleansing ritual made to calm the senses made with lavender oil, pro vitamin B5, and shea butter.
Can really calm you down. Just a perfect start to your morning, to be honest. You guys, if you use our code, you can get this box, which has a value, as you can see, well over $200. You can get it for $39.99. And these sell out super fast. I'm sure you guys already know by looking at all these amazing products, so you don't want to miss out. And I'm gonna hide my box in my room.
I kind of want to get in the shower now.
Well, that's
try all
probably a
this
good
stuff
thing.
out.
And if I see my blanket missing, Brielle,
Light my candle, wipe my makeup off.
give me the candle. I got my slippers and my blanket, girl, and give me the body wash. I'll just take it all. I love it.
That feels really good too. The little.
It feels really good,
Yeah,
and it
it's
works.
really
Look at your
soft.
hand.
I
That's
know.
pretty
completely
impressive.
gone. Should we test it out on your face real quick?
No, we shouldn't.
No? Okay.
No, sweetie.